Jai Hind, my dear students. How are you all? Hope that you all are doing great and you all are ready now for the class. So, children, this is your first period and it's time for your English class. Children, if you can remember, in our previous class, we have read the chapter lesson number 7, that is Grandma's Glasses, from this book, that is Magic Lantern, right? So, what all has happened in that story? Do you remember it? Have you read the chapter? I told you to read the chapter 2 times. Hope that you have read it. So, children, today we are going to do the book exercise of this chapter. Hope you can recall and remember the story. If something you are still missing, so just quickly let's recap and revise that what all things have happened in that story. So now here I'm going to share a video clip with you all. In this video clip you can see the girl whose name is Meera. She's just of your age. She wanted to read the big book just like you read the book, so she also wanted to read the book. And then what happened, what silly thing she does, let's just find it out. So here we go. So here you can see this name of the story is Grandma's Glasses. And the story is about the glasses. Meera, a girl, wants to read the big book. So she went to her mother to read that big book. So her mother wears the glasses and she reads the book for Meera. Now Meera goes to her father. She sits on the lap. Father also wears his glasses and reads the book for Meera, the big book. So now Meera sees that her grandfather is sitting on the sofa and reading the newspaper by wearing the glasses. Her grandfather is also wearing the glasses to read the newspaper. So she also wanted to read the big book. So now she has an idea. She thought of an idea. Her grandmother was not wearing the glass. She was in the garden. Grandmother was in the garden and she was not wearing the glass. So Meera thought, why not to take grandmother's glass and read the big book? So she took grandmother's glass and she sat in a corner and she starts reading the big book. But oh no, something is wrong. Oh, she is not able to understand. So she thought to take her mother's glass. She wears the glass and she starts reading the book. But then something is wrong. Then she thought to wear her father's glass and she starts reading the book. But again something is wrong. Oh my God. And this way she also tried her grandfather's glass. But then again something is wrong. Now Meera is very upset. She doesn't know what is happening, why she is not able to read the book. So, in the meanwhile, grandmother, grandfather, father and mother, everybody started looking for their glasses and they all were not finding the glasses. Where were all the glasses? Do you know? Yes, we know. It was with Meera. So Meera was very upset and she said, I don't know. I just wanted to read the big book. But I don't know what is the problem. I am trying to read the book, but I put them on, but still can't read my big book. So all the family members of Meera started laughing at her. What was the reason, do you know? So let's just see the story once again. Grandma's glasses. Here you can see mother wearing the glass and reading the big book for her. Father is also wearing the glass and reading the big book. Grandfather is reading the newspaper by wearing his glass. So she also thought to wear the glass and read the big book. Grandmother was in the garden, and so Mira took grandmother's glass and thought to read the book. But then something is wrong. She is unable to read the book. So she thought to take her mother's glass, but then again something is wrong. She thought to take her father's glass, but then again something is wrong. She tried her grandfather's glass, but then something is wrong again too. So everybody was searching the glass, but it was all with Mira. Mira wanted to read the big book, but she was not able to read. Why? Because her eyesight was perfect and she was not requiring the glass to wear and to read the book. Just with the naked eye also she can read the book. The one whose eyesight is not perfect, not proper, or has a weak eyesight needs the glass to wear, right? But whose eyesight is perfect, they don't need to wear the glass to read something, right? So this is what we learn, that if we need to keep our eyesight perfect, if we don't want to wear the glasses, then we have to eat healthy food, right? So now let's start doing the book exercise. Now hope that you have understood the story. Now you'll be able to do the book exercise, right? So open page number 5050 of the book and let's start doing the book exercise. So here is exercise number A, but before that you have to write down today's date and classwork at the top. So let's do it. In what order does Mira try the glasses? Write the number below the person. So in which order she tries the glasses of her family members? First, she tries the glass of her grandmother because grandmother was in the garden. Then after grandmother, she tries her mother's glass. So this will be number 2. After mother's glass, she tries father's glass, number 3. And at the end, she tries her grandfather's glass, number 4. Yes. So you have to also write 1, 2, 3 and 4 in the same order, okay, in your book. Now let's do exercise number B. Fill in the blanks to answer these questions. Number 1. What does Mira take to mother? So Mira क्या लेकर गई थी mother के पास? Mira takes her big book to mother. Yes. So please write down B-I-G big, B-O-O-K book, big book. Number 2, what does mother do? Mother wears her glasses to read. Yes, mother ने glasses पहने थे पढ़ने के लिए. Number 3, what is grandfather reading? Grandfather is reading newspaper. Yes, grandfather is reading newspaper. Number 4, where is grandmother? Grandmother is in the garden. Where was grandmother? Grandmother was in the garden. Number 5, what does Mira want to do? Mira wants to read her big book. Yes, Mira wants to read her big book. So please, you also have to write down these answers in your book. Okay. So Mira takes her big book to mother. What does mother do? Mother wears her glasses to read. What is grandfather reading? Grandfather is reading newspaper. Where is grandmother? Grandmother is in the garden. And what does Mira want to do? Mira wants to read her big book. Now let's do the next exercise. Here, children, we will be learning a new thing from the grammar portion. See, children, read this sentence from the story. Mira takes her big book to mother. Mother wears her glasses to read. Mira takes her big book to father. She sits on his lap. Father wears his glasses to read. So just look at the words that are written in red color. Can you see them? Takes, wears, takes, sits, wears. these words are action words, right? And these action words are happening right now in present tense. इस समय चल रहा है, हो रहा है. जो चीज हो गया था उसे हम पास्ट टेंस कहते हैं, जो चीज होने वाला है उसे हम फ्यूचर टेंस कहते हैं, और जो चीज चल रहा है अभी, चल रहा है, हो रहा है, होगा या अभी है, प्रेजेंट में है, उसे हम प्रेजेंट टेंस कहते हैं, राइट? सो यहाँ पे देखो, जैसे अगर हम जब भी किसी एक पर्सन की बात कर रहे हैं, एक थिंग की बात कर रहे हैं, तो एक्शन वर्ड में हमेशा लास्ट में क्या लग जाता है? एस लग जाता है. लास्ट में हम क्या लगाते हैं? एस. लाइक टेक के साथ हम लिखेंगे टेक्स, राइट? मीरा टेक्स हर बिग बुक. लेकिन अगर मीरा की जगह एक से ज्यादा लड़कियां होती, गर्ल्स अगर होते, तो हम टेक्स नहीं लिखते, गर्ल्स टेक्स नहीं होता, देन गर्ल्स take hota, right? So the same way, let's do this exercise. Father cooks breakfast, right? Now number 2, Meera dash the table. So Meera, how many girl? One girl. So यहाँ ले के साथ में क्या लगेगा बताओ? लास्ट में एक s लगेगा. Yes, and then this will be lays. So Meera lays the table. Meera table बिछा रही है, टेबल को अरेंज कर रही है, डाइनिंग टेबल को. Number 3, mother dash ready for work. Mother gets ready for work. Get में लास्ट में क्या लगेगा? S. Gets ready for work. Grandmother dash the tea. Grandmother pours the tea. P-O-U-R and S. Pours the tea. Number 5, grandfather drinks his tea. Drink के साथ में S. Drinks his tea, right? Read these sentences and see how we use the words is, am and are. Children, ये words जो होते हैं, this is, am and are, इसे हम helping verbs कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? Helping verbs. जो words action word के पहले लगते हैं, जैसे Ram is dancing, Ram is sleeping, Ram is going. So going, sleeping, dancing, ये सब एक्शन वर्ड्स है, क्या काम कर रहे हैं. और एक्शन वर्ड के आगे हम कोई एक वर्ड यूज करते हैं, उसे कहते हैं हेल्पिंग वर्ब. ये हेल्पिंग वर्ब नंबर ऑफ पर्सन को देख कर लगाया जाता है. अगर हम किसी एक पर्सन या एक थिंग या एक एनिमल की बात कर रहे हैं, तो वहां पर हम लगाते हैं इज. क्या लगाते हैं? IS, इज. जैसे सीता इज रीडिंग द बुक. Ram is playing with the toys, right? बट अगर जहाँ एक से ज्यादा लोगों की हम बात कर रहे हैं, 2 हो गए, एक से ज्यादा, मोर देन 1 हो गए, तो वहां पर हम आर यूज करते हैं, ARE. लाइक राम एंड सीता आर रीडिंग द बुक्स, वी आर प्लेइंग, वी आर स्टडिंग, they are going to the school, right? So अगर एक से ज्यादा हो गए तो आर लगेगा, और अगर एक है तो इज लगेगा. लेकिन जब मैं अपनी बात कर रही हूँ, when we are talking about ourselves, I अगर आता है, जहाँ जिस भी सेंटेंस में आप I देखेंगे, तो I के साथ हमेशा क्या लगता है? कौन सा हेल्पिंग वर्ब? am, am. Like I am a boy, I am a girl, I am reading, I am playing, right? So now let's do this exercise. ये exercise हम करते हैं, but बेटा अभी हम ग्रामर में जब इस exercise को और करेंगे, रिवाइज करेंगे इस चैप्टर को, तब आपको इसका कॉन्सेप्ट और क्लियर हो जाएगा, राइट? अभी हम इसको थोड़ा सा समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. इन ग्रामर chapter, when we are going to do this properly, then you will understand this better. Okay, so now let's do it. My name dash Amit. So how many Amit we are talking about? One Amit. So हम क्या use करेंगे? Is. My name is Amit, right? I dash 6 years old. I, मैंने क्या बताया? I के साथ हमेशा क्या use होता है? Am. I am 6 years old. This dash my school. This, how many school we are talking about? One school. So हम क्या use करेंगे? Is. This is my school. These dash my friends. यहाँ कितने फ्रेंड्स की बात हो रही है? एक से ज्यादा. So हम क्या यूज करेंगे? Are. These are my friends. वी डैश इन क्लास 1, हम सब क्लास 1 में हैं. सो कितने लोगों की बात हो रही है? एक से ज़्यादा. सो वी आर इन क्लास 1, right? So hope children you have understood this. Now I don't think so that you will have a confusion in this. In the grammar exercise, when हम grammar book में जब इस chapter को पढ़ेंगे, is am are helping verbs, तो आपको concept और clear हो जाएगा इसका, ठीक है? Now let's do word wise. What does everyone do? Grandfather wears his glasses. Grandmother waters the plant. Meera opens the big book. So can you see the words written in red? Wears, waters, opens, ये सब action words हैं जो हमें बताते हैं कि क्या काम वो कर रहे हैं. Grandfather glasses के साथ क्या कर रहे हैं? Wears, पहन रहे हैं. Grandmother plants के साथ क्या कर रही हैं? Waters, पानी दे रही हैं. मीरा बिग बुक के साथ क्या कर रही है? Opens, खोल रही है बिग बुक को, right? So here are some action words. Match them to the person or animal. Then write a sentence. One is done for you. The artist paints. The girl क्या करेगी? Buzzes, roars, paints, works या swings? Swings. Yes, the girl swings. Girl झूल रही है. The bee buzzes. Bee buzzing कर रही है. The lion roars. The man works. Yes, so this is how you have to make these sentences. आपने देखा कैसे हम action word को relate कर रहे हैं, right? So you also have to do the same work in your book, right? Now let's do the next one, okay? Here are some things that family do together. Like eat, go on picnics, read or exercise. यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं कि कुछ चीज़ें फैमिली मेम्बर्स एक साथ करते, जैसे एक साथ हम खाना खाते हैं, एक साथ हम पिकनिक पर जाते हैं घूमने, पढ़ते हैं, एक्सरसाइज करते हैं. तो यहाँ आपको क्या करना है? राइट 2 more things that you do with your family. आप ऐसी 2 चीज़ें लिखेंगे जो आप अपनी फैमिली मेम्बर्स के साथ एक साथ करते हैं. बताओ क्या हम चीज़ें लिख सकते हैं? दिस इज़ योर होमवर्क. लाइक वॉचिंग टीवी, हम टीवी बैठ के एक साथ देखते हैं. वी सेलिब्रेट फेस्टिवल्स टुगेदर, हम एक साथ फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. खाना एक साथ खाते हैं. एक साथ हम बैठ के चैटिंग करते हैं, बातें करते हैं. So these things we can write here. Okay, this is your homework. Now let's read the next one. Listen to the short O sound. O sound इसमें देखो जो short sounds है, like order, orange, forest. हम जल्दी से O को बहुत बड़ा नहीं कर रहे. Order, orange. We are not saying like this. We are saying order, orange, forest, right? So here let's read out these words that begin with OD, OG, OP, OT and OS. Not begin or ends with these letters, right? So let's read it out. God. Chalo bolo. God. Nod. Dog. Fog. Hop. Top. Got. Hot. Box. Fox. Right? So did you notice कि हम कितनी जल्दी से बोल रहे हैं? हम ये नहीं बोल रहे fox. Are we saying like this? हम ऐसे नहीं कहते, हम fox कहते हैं, जल्दी से कहते हैं. Box. It's hot. I have a dog. Right? हम ऐसा नहीं कहते I have a dog. Do we say like this? नहीं. So in these words you can see the sound of O is short. Right? Now this one, let's listen. इसे आपको नहीं करना है बेटा. Just put across the way I have put across. Now the next one, last one we are doing, page number 54. What do you want? देखो ये dialogues को पढ़ो. Grandmother said and Meera said, I want a book. Father said, what do you want? And Meera said, I want glasses. So here now some sentences are given and you have to order them from 1 to 5. आपको एक story narrate करनी है. तो चलो करते हैं. He finds a book he likes. Aman wants to read a book. He sits down and reads. He takes it to the table. He goes to the library. तो यहाँ देखो अमन के बारे में बताया जा रहा है कि अमन बुक पढ़ना चाहता है. अमन अगर बुक पढ़ना चाहता है तो फिर वहाँ लिखा ही फाइंड्स अ बुक लाइक ही लाइक्स. उसको बुक मिली जो उसे बहुत पसंद है. फिर उसमें लिखा है ही सिट्स डाउन एंड रीड. वो बैठ कर उसे पढ़ना शुरू करता है. ही टेक्स इट टू द टेबल. वो टेबल पर लेके जाता है. ही गोज टू द लाइब्रेरी. वो लाइब्रेरी में जाता है. तो देखो ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर फर्स्ट नंबर तो बताया है कि ये वाला होगा फर्स्ट. अमन वॉन्ट्स टू रीड अ बुक. अमन एक बुक पढ़ना अमन को आज इच्छा है बुक पढ़ने की. तो बताओ इसमें से अब सेकंड नंबर क्या आएगा. चलो स्टोरी बनाते हैं हम. तो बुक अगर पढ़ने की हमें इच्छा हो और हमें बुक चाहिए तो कहाँ मिलती है बुक. लाइब्रेरी. सो ही गोज टू दी लाइब्रेरी. यस, दिस विल बी नंबर 2. अब लाइब्रेरी में हमें बुक जब हम जाएंगे तो हमें अपने से बुक ढूंढनी है ना कि कौन सी पढ़नी है. सो ही फाइंड्स अ बुक ही लाइक्स. उसको उसकी पसंद की बुक मिल गई. दिस विल बी नंबर 3. अब जब बुक मिल गई तो क्या करेंगे, हम पहले टेबल पर रखेंगे है ना पढ़ने के लिए. ही टेक्स इट टू द टेबल. दिस विल बी नंबर 4. अब टेबल पर रखकर हम क्या करेंगे, चले जाएंगे, नहीं, हम बैठकर पढ़ेंगे. सो ही सिट्स डाउन एंड रीड्स. दिस विल बी नंबर 5. So see how we have narrated a small story by just arranging the sentences in order, right? So you also have to do this exercise, beta. And this is your homework, that to complete the book exercise and you have to learn them. And the second homework is learn the paragraph writing my house and practice it by writing it in the रफ नोटबुक. आपको अपने रफ नोटबुक पर इसे बहुत प्रैक्टिस करना है, लिख कर लर्न करनी है. और नेक्स्ट टाइम जब मैं जूम क्लास लूँगी तो मैं एक एक से सबसे पूछूंगी. मिनिमम 5 लाइंस आपको लर्न होने चाहिए माई हाउस के, ठीक है, पैराग्राफ राइटिंग के. So that's it for today. I'm going to now end the session. We are going to meet again in our next class. Till then, just take care. Bye.